Generally, videos can be engaging, but the trick is to create videos aligned with your goals that strike a chord with your audience, creating a winning video marketing strategy that attracts potential customers requires ample planning, strategizing, and coordination. Hi, I'm Callie from the International Institute of Digital Marketing. Here are 5 ideas to help. Add an effective call to action. Whether you upload a short Instagram reel or a long YouTube video, encourage viewers to take action. It could be one of many options based on your goals: visiting your site, making a purchase, subscribing to your channel, signing up for a newsletter, etc. Clearly communicate what you want them to do with an effective call to action. For instance, download now or share with your friends. Add a video to landing pages. Landing pages are designed to generate more leads. They are optimized to entice qualified leads, and to make them more engaging and informative, you can incorporate videos on them. Videos enable you to convey more information without using too much text. You can detail the main topic in the video and use the page's text, headline, and call to actions to give it more context. Add videos to email campaigns. Using videos in inbox outreach can help your emails stand out. You can incorporate videos in all kinds of emails, newsletters, product launches, event invitations, etc. You can experiment and test what works for your audience and your brand. Use videos as gated content. Gated content is a great way to generate leads for your business. For the uninitiated, visitors must give their contact information to view the content. Though white papers, case studies, and ebooks are content types that tend to lend themselves to gating, video can too. Tutorials, demo, and how-to videos can work well for gated content because they are educational, something audiences typically find valuable. Leverage video SEO. Getting your videos ranked in search engines can drastically improve your visibility and attract more interest. To attract searchers, craft a short yet engaging title. It's important to craft a meta description that gives searchers a brief idea of what they can expect. Since search engines can't scan the words spoken in the video, include a transcript below like we've done in this video. This gives web crawlers a better idea of what the video is all about and makes it more likely for them to index it. For more information, visit www.iidm.world.